Hi there, students. To inflate, a verb. Inflation, normally an uncountable noun. I guess we could have inflationary as an adjective. Okay, so as a verb, to inflate means to blow something up, to increase it in size by filling it with air. Yeah, you inflate a balloon. You could inflate the tire of your car. Yeah. Okay. So you blow it up. You inflate it with air. And then you can also use to inflate, meaning to make something larger or make something seem more important. Yeah. So everybody saying such wonderful things about the star has inflated his ego. Yeah. Every time he tells the story, he seems to inflate it a little bit more. Yeah, he makes it bigger. He makes it sound more important than it really is. So to inflate, to enlarge, yeah, to enlarge either physically or metaphorically, figuratively. And then we have inflation. Now, inflation is a word that comes in economics. Inflation talks about a continuous increase in prices. Yeah, the opposite of inflation is deflation. Have you noticed over the past few months how food has increased in price quite radically? And that is inflation. Yeah, we have inflation in wages, inflation in the economy. Yeah, so in economics, inflation is a general increase in the price, in the level of price of and goods in an economy. So you can actually buy less with your money, and well, that can be a problem. Yeah. Okay. So inflation, it's the increasing in prices. When there is inflation, very often then governments increase interest rates. They increase lending rates, which make it more expensive. Yeah. So inflation talks about the fall in purchasing power of money. You can buy less with your money. Okay, inflation. Yeah, continuing price rises. This could be attributed to the increase in the volume of money and credit relative to the goods and services. So the inflation is accelerating. Well, I think actually it's decelerating at the moment. Inflation erodes your buying power. Yeah. A government estimate of inflation. Yeah, there are inflationary items within an economy. Okay, and then as I said, this comes from the verb to inflate, to blow up. Yeah, to swell up, to make something bigger. So he ended up inflated with pride. He thought he was so wonderful. And then, well, inflation. Yeah, it's just things get more expensive. I think at the moment inflation in Europe's running what? About 6%, 7%. It's quite high. Okay. So let's see. To inflate, I think more informally, to blow up. Yeah. I think to blow up, I'd give a 4.5 in formality. To inflate, maybe a 6 in formality. And then inflation in economics, a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, inflatio, inflare, yeah, to blow in, yeah, to blow into something, to blow inside, to expand into, and flow, or flatus, to blow. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inflate, inflation.